yung ano pa lang, yung opportunity to take a decent shot. And now he's got Dave on him. And how do you extract yourself against that?
Kalahat, pretty much a non-factor here in the second half. Scoreless after coming away with 7 in the first 2 quarters.
And you have to see, right now, as you see Encho and Marvin Taiwan being on the floor at the same time. In the early goings of this season, you saw the Weavers go to that combination pretty much on the guard spot. But with Jason Brickman, in the way that he's performed, mas lalong lumalim yung guard rotation para dito sa Weavers.
Serrano Bumuelo. At foul ang binigay ng Caloocan.
And the season slowly slipping away from Caloocan right now with 1:40 remaining.
And this is the furthest that they have been in their 7 seasons in the MPBL. They're one of the, we'd like to say, OG teams here in the league. This free throw the game brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kumpletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Since season 1 pa lang, nandito na. Kong JB, Kong Ching, yung kanilang kupunan, joined last year, made the playoffs, but lost to the eventual champions, Pampanga, in the first round. They were the 7th seed. This time, they retooled, undisputedly the #1 team all season long, and on the brink of a North Division Finals appearance. Daming personalities, kaya nang binanggit natin, Coach Mike.
Yes.
Kung Eric Martinez is also here. Danny Ai, syempre. Full support of his son, Dave. 72-60. Caloocan. Dave Ildefonso tagged with a personal foul.
Well, they were setting up Jeremy Cabana for a little Iverson play. Well, he faked that handoff. Itong si Ronnie Matias until he got clipped and got fouled. That's why he's going to the line. But when you look at scoring para dito sa Caloocan, well, no guy has broken past 10 points from them. It's Ingles, Manday, and Manlangit with 9, 9, and 8. And that really shows you, to our point, na walang take charge guy, walang closer, and the defense has really made it difficult for these primary scorers of Caloocan. Their leading scorer for the season has been Jeff Manday, averaging 12 points per game, and then you've got Biton, who's averaging 10, and then the next one would be Kalahabi with close to 10 per game, and those 3 have really been checked pretty much this series.
Biton only 5 points here in game number 2. Jeff Manday with 9. Minute and 30 left.
That's the shot.
Ingles, he misses. They get it back, but they're still down by 12. The drive by James Ingles, swatted away by Ryan Batino. 5th block of the game for Abra, and they can sense it. Encho Serrano gunning for his 3rd title here in the MPBL. Won 2 championships with Pampanga the last 2 years. Caloocan, as Ingles misses, got it back, but he was the one tagged with a personal foul.
As he tried to push off. But again, with the season winding for Caloocan, I mean, it's going to be pretty interesting. And I'm really very curious as to Coach Mike Sagigit. How is he going to fill up the roster next season? He came in mid-season, did a good job, won his first game coaching itong Caloocan. They went up against the defending champs in Pampanga. That was a game in Bataan.
Yeah.
And he's turned around this franchise for Caloocan and made this good run here in the postseason.
3rd consecutive North Division semifinals for Caloocan, as Dave Ildefonso getting a much-needed breather. Mother of Kong, JB Bernos, Mayor Esther Bernos, Municipality of ng Las Abra, also Mayor Nina Bernos of La Paz Abra ay nandito po in full support of the Abra Solid North Weavers. Second block by Batino.
And really just the Weavers playing with a lot of pride on the defensive end. They don't want anything easy for Caloocan.
Wilkin Lee. It will bounce out. And again, Caloocan, kaya na binanggit natin, tatlong sunod-sunod na North Division semifinals appearance. Last year, lost to San Juan. They got swept. Ganun din nung Season 5 against Pampanga. And unfortunately, this year, same result, but take nothing away from what they have done, especially the last couple of years.
Yes.
They were able to upset Manila last season. Sila Greg Slaughter yon and the rest of the guys there.
Yes.
Fell short against San Juan. This year, they were able to dethrone Pampanga, but this night belongs to the Abra Solid North Weavers. 30 consecutive victories and counting.